Welcome to the Brewing a Better You, a podcast about navigating life in your 30s, one pace at a time. In this podcast, we'll talk about adulting, life realizations, personal growth, shared by someone who's navigating the uncertainties of his 30s as well, now relating life like a marathon journey. So recently, I attended a training and a seminar wherein they showed a picture na Filipinos are now ah, are now living longer. Based on statistics, 2005, 68.4 years ang life expectancy ng mga Pilipino, while noong 2015, 69.5. Noong 2025, it's 71.9 years. And based on the trend, 75 years from now, ang expectancy, ang life expectancy ng mga Pilipino ay aabot na ng more than 80 years old. So meaning, Filipinos are now living longer. But it's a pros and cons kasi different thing naman ang mahaba ang buhay versus healthy ang life. Meron kasi mahaba yung buhay pero may mga sakit na. So, it's medyo dragging siya. Pero iba may healthy lang pero mabilis mawala. Mabilis mamatay. Anyway, so yun yung isang picture. While another picture naman, graph is that the dependent population ngayon, from 117 million, ito ang actual population ngayon ng mga Pilipino, 5% ang nasa 10 to 14 years old, which is the same ng nasa 15 to 19, while ang 0 to 4 years old are 3.9% to and 3.7%, so male and female. So meaning, yung trend ng dependence natin is shrinking. Well, supposedly it's a triangular figure, pero dahil dumadami na ang mga fur parents, ang mga plantito, mga plantita, dumadami na rin yung mga dinks dahil nga ang mahal ang bilihin, ang mahal ang cost of living, at ang hirap magkaroon ng madaming anak. Kaya siguro, lumiliit ang populasyon ng kabataan. So for the next few episodes, we'll be talking about these two statistics kasi tayong mga nasa 30s ang pinaka-apektado nito. Which brings us to our first point. Sino nang mag-aalaga sa atin pag tayo na'y matanda? Nope, I'm not talking about our kids. We're not talking about the younger generation or yung anak ninyo or yung magiging anak natin ang mag-aalaga sa atin as our retirement fund. But it's more on who will fund the taxes when we retire, who will fund the government projects, who will fund the public system pag tayo na yung nangangailangan. Kasi today, we millennials and the borderline Gen Z millennials are the biggest workforce ng bansa. And tayo ang primary machinery to fund the taxes na binubulsa nila ng mga yun. So what more kapag yung younger generation na ngayon yung magtatrabaho? So tayo ni matatanda. Di ba? Paano na yung retirement fund natin? Paano na yung pension natin? Paano na yung PhilHealth pa rin ba tawag? Pag baka masimabuwag na yung PhilHealth. So whatever the system that will be in the future, pag tayo ni matanda, paano na tayo? Sino na popondo nun? Or maybe, ang nakikita ko rin dyan, possibly, kapag dahil mas mahaba na yung lifespan natin, ewan ko lang, kailan mag-start ngayon yung government benefits? Diba? So, ang dami ko naisip pa ba nakita ko tong graphs na to. So, take note din as well that our generations are mostly hybrid athlete or going into health and fitness dahil mas naging aware tayo that health is wealth. Kaya sa una ko nabanggit kanina, yung projection na mas maging mahaba yung life expectancy natin. Pag tayo na matanda, kaya pa rin ba ng sistema natin na mapondohan tayo? Kasi mahaba yung buhay natin, hopefully healthy tayo, pero yung healthy tayo na part is still, for me, medyo mahirap with the accessibility of fast food, delivery apps, na easily accessible ang mga pagkain na gawa sa labas na hindi homemade. Though may mga ano naman na homemade pero mahal, 'di ba? Hindi siya still healthy. Healthy ko no. So yun yung nakikita ko ngayon problema natin 30s that when we age, sino mag-support natin? And yun ang isang problema. Dahil nga sandwich, we're the last, yun pinaglalaban ng mga millennial ngayon. We are the last sandwich generation. So we're taking care of our parents while also taking care of those dependents younger than us. So can we start funding our retirement? Iba pa yung wag magalaw itong retirement fund natin na to for our emergencies with the rising costs of living. So ang daming factors to consider. Daming factors to consider while thinking about this topic. Diba? Ulit natin, no? The younger generation, yung workforce in the future is getting smaller dahil dumadami mga ayaw na mag-anak, ayaw na magkaroon ng dependence with the cost of living. Thus, the tax pools will also get smaller when we age, lalo na if hindi nila inaayos yung trabaho nila, ang mga nasa gobyerno. Thus, yung public system natin, hopefully, ang tanong is, kakayanin pa ba? So today is the earliest possible day to rethink about your retirement. Kumusta ba ang pagpa-fund mo sa retirement mo? Take note, iba ang investment na without label and iba yung funding ng savings mo if it's just for your totally savings lang siya. So iba pa yung retirement. Nakapag-prepare ka na ba ng retirement mo? If that's the trend that we can see with what's happening in our society, in our generation, kamusta ang retirement fund mo? Nakapagpondo ka na ba? Wala eh. Mas mahaba yung buhay natin. We're really now accepting it that our generation is woke. Oh, woke na kailangan maging healthy. Pero ang next question nga doon is, yes, mas maging mahaba yung lifespan natin, life expectancy natin due to advancements of technology. Pero iba yung healthy ang buhay versus sa mahaba ang buhay. And I think that would be the next topic about healthy life versus long life. Kasi ngayon, yung retirement mo, once na nag-age na tayo, this would also be composed of your vitamins, your maintenance meds, and also the healthcare support, assuming that we're not well supported by the government. So, paano tayo? Ayun lang. So, that's it for our episode for today. If you find this episode very alarming or very tumama din para sa'yo, and sa tingin mo would also benefit other people na nasa 30s who needs to be alarmed as well. So, tag him or her, and tag me in your Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, threads, and let's talk about this stuff kasi it's Oh, yeah, it's a very eye-opener para sa akin. Ayan lang. So, see you in our series next episode. Bye-bye!